What's good, everyone? This is Chris, your Sacramento Realtor, here for another California house tour. Cannot wait to show you this place. And we're also going to show you this restaurant called Streetzlan here in Galt, which is about a few minutes west of C Street. And go ahead and be a subscriber, leave a comment if you want to be a part of the Amazon gift card giveaway. And stay tuned for the winner for this Amazon gift card giveaway. All right. Okay, we are here in 1051 Steelway, here in the northeast part of Galt, which is a super highly desirable area. Most of these homes were built in the 2000s. This one's built in 2002 by the Elliott Home Builders. You can see a nice neighborhood. A lot of homes have the 3-car garages. So does this one. This one's a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,428 square feet, built in 2002. Let's go inside. And I am getting eaten up by mosquitoes, but that's okay. I do this for y'all. All right, as soon as you walk in, you got your living room area. Check this out. Got the new carpets put in. Big window for a lot of natural light. Come back around here so you can see. Light fixture, another big window for some more natural light. So in this house, we got 4 types of flooring. So we got the tile right there, carpet right there. We've got our refinished wood in the kitchen. I'll show you that there. And we got laminate in the bathrooms. Let's take a look at this big kitchen area. Man. So right here, you can definitely have your dining room table, and you can also have your nook right here. I've got some things in storage. Bow. There you go, take a seat. And here into the kitchen, we got the white cabinets, the tile countertops, which was original when the home was built. Pantry closet. Got our black appliances. The gas stove though, look at that. I love gas over the electric just because the gas stove gets hotter quicker. Pantry closet, can fit all the essentials. Do like that. A little double oven. Like I said, this place is 2,428 square feet. You see how shiny the wood is? Oh, let me turn around so you can see. See how shiny the wood is? There you go. There you go. You got your banister right there for your living room, or your family room, excuse me. You come down here, a couple of steps, 1, 2. Closet right here. Under the staircase. Tell you, this place is large. And you can tell this was built in 2002 because look at that entertainment system that was already built in to the home. And of course, a lot of homes were doing that back in the days with your fireplace. Check that out. And that is gas. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this. There you go. 3 large windows, tons of natural light, tons of it. We'll go in the backyard a little bit. So coming back around here, we got our downstairs bedroom, which is great for any in-laws, any parents, any grandparents, or office, anything like that. Standard size walk-in closet. And then if you didn't notice, we got 10-foot high ceilings all throughout, except for in the living room. Those are vaulted ceilings, which is even better. First bathroom right here, tile countertop, large mirror. Bathroom. So you only got the shower here. Go up a little bit. Right. Now as we enter into the garage, laminate floor right here, washer dryer hookup, cabinet space, cabinet space, cabinet space. What else? Cabinet space, cabinet space. There we go. And this is the 3-car garage. Ooh, what's some storage? Ooh, and more. Shelves right there. Water heater right there. More storage on top of there. There you go. There you go. Let's go back in. All right. Matter of fact, let's go out to the backyard real quick. Okay, and so they did add a shed back here. And then for additional units out here in California, if you're not having electricity or plumbing connected to the additional unit, you do not need to have a permit for that. As long as it's within a certain size. Right there, tile floors, store quite a bit of things in here. Backyard is big. It's almost a 1/4 acre for the lot. Yeah, we got a couple of fruit trees right over there. New AC unit, brand spanking new. Over here you've got, you could have, this is like RV possible. You want to, arrange the fence. Yeah, and you got your trash cans back over there. And if you notice, a lot of homes out here in California have stucco. A lot of newer homes out here have the stucco siding. Because with the dry temperature and hot temperature, well, with the dry temperature or dry weather, yeah, it's good. Probably gonna cut quite a bit of this. Got a couple palm trees here for you. Not ours, but neighbors. Oh, also, you also have a water softener. And then what you'll need though for the water softener is rock salt that you get at Home Depot, Lowe's, any place like that. Okay. Let's go back inside. All right, so we're gonna head up the stairs now. That's a ton of space. But yeah, like I said, the vaulted ceilings up here in the living room. All right, you take your first left. You got your 3 bedrooms and bathroom. You got your first bathroom right here. Got the Jack and Jill sinks, toilet, and bathtub. All right. Now we got a 3 bedrooms back to back to back. So I'm gonna do a quick one. Go through here. You got your front yard. Pan this out. Same size walk-in closet. 10-foot ceiling. Come back out. Same thing again, except we got a couple of windows right here. I'm panning it out for you. Now you're looking to the side of the yard. Oh, excuse me. Last one, same thing. Looking out to the side of the yard. Same size closet. I do like the baseboards. Yeah, Now we're gonna head into the master. Look at this. Definitely got some space. Walk-in closet. Oh wow. Is there a light? Yeah. This is big. Shelving on shelving on shelves. Space on space on space. Wow, let me do this real quick. I'm gonna back up and show you how much space this is. Man. Then those windows face the backyard. Let's take a look into the master ensuite. And in here you got the bathtub by itself. Look at that bad boy. And you also have a cooling unit as well. Just in case it ever gets too hot. Shower right there. And, oh, excuse me. I almost fell hard. And then you got your separate bathroom right here with some with some cabinets. Excuse me, cabinets. How many times can we say cabinets? Cabinets. Okay, so now let's go to Streetzlan, aka the Street Food Project. Take a look at some of the food. Got here, I ended up getting the Jamaican jerk chicken fries. Ooh, I can't wait to get that. You gotta try it out. Bro, I'm telling you right now, this Jamaican jerk chicken is fuego. Y'all have to try it. Like, you have to try it sometime in your life, okay? This is too good. A little spicy, but it's too good not to try it. Man. So what they did was they had the Jamaican jerk seasoning. They marinated the fries in that and the chicken in that, and they were able to cook the chicken, and then had a house mayo, kind of like of a little sour. Ooh, that just dropped. Not sour, more of super light. So it's a light house mayo along with some chives on it, and they did their thing. Y'all have to try this. I'm serious. And that is it for our house tour. Thank you so much for watching. And as promised, the winner of the Amazon gift card giveaway is Asher Skylar. You can contact me on the About page through the email. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much again. You can subscribe here to check out more content and take a look at some more house tours here or some first-time home buyer advice. Y'all have a good one. Take care.